I have reviewed the ZANU-PF constitution, both the 2014 and the 2022 versions, thoroughly, and can state the following with authority. Zana mashoko buda nyoko panguwa inoi. My comrade Vanzo panguwa inoi ndo subscribe or like out on the bell. Kutibina mnamubuda nyoko mchizi number 1. The letter from Chris Muchangwa purporting to announce changes to the ZANU-PF political bureau is invalid. It claims the decision to relieve Obetimpof of his office as ZANU-PF Secretary General was taken under Article 9, Section 65 and 67. Article 9 concerns political bureau functions generally, and it does not confer authority for the first secretary to reassign office holders. And Section 65 addresses the functions of the Secretary for Economic Development and Empowerment. Section 67 addresses the functions of the Secretary for Health Care of the Child and the Elderly. Neither provisions authorizes the personnel change Muchangwa communicates. For that reason, the letter does not affect a lawful change of office. Number 2, Article 9, Section 63 establishes the Office of Secretary for Media, Information and Publicity. Muchangwa's letter is signed as Secretary for Information and Publicity and the party spokesperson. That composite title used to arrogate spokesperson authority does not exist in the Constitution. A communication signed by a non-existent constitutional office holder is no legal effect. Number 3, even if Muchangwa's title were a typographical error, the office created under Section 63 is not the designated spokesperson of First Secretary. Therefore, the letter does not purport to communicate the authoritative position of the First Secretary. There is no letter in existence which purports to have been written by the ZANU-PF First Secretary. Nothing in the ZANU-PF Constitution vests the First Secretary with the unilateral power to make the reassignments announced. Section 54 is clear on this as it sets out the full remit of his powers. In fact, in terms of Section 49, the power to appoint heads is exercised during Congress and not any time thereafter. A power not enriched in Constitution cannot lawfully be exercised. Accordingly, if the position is maintained that the First Secretary lacks authority to reassign Mopofu, and that position is not accepted, a dispute arises, mandating resolution. In the meantime, it's back to original settings. Whilst I've cited provisions from the 2022 versions, the conclusion to be retained is maintained even if we use the 2014 version. Comrade ZIM domashukwarubuda panguva ino vanhu vachiramba maprovisions nemari shuffles akaitwa the ruling party ZANU-PF vachimaona ari unconstitutional. Pinda comment section medu dzimafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.